Hello guys, today we're going to try out a new gore mode on Teardown, one of my favorite games now. So first impression, it really looks like the last map we already tried. Same house, same van, but I figured out that they changed the interior. They put it a kitchen. It's a house, in general. This is the not boring with you open doors. Uh, yeah, actually it's pretty nice. Looks cozy. We're not here for this. This is in advanced mode. Let's see what they put it. So firstly they added a heart, kidneys I assume, this blocky thing. They changed a bit the gut I think. Did they? I don't know. So let's see all the ragdolls I guess. So here we have Nazis, more Nazis, and naked Nazi. Yeah, here is just Nazis. Here we have a fanboy, I don't know. An SCP, Stephen Hawking's cousin, a doctor, a black thing, another black thing. It looks like a microwave. Microwave, no, to pronounce it. This, and we have also more soldiers. I don't know why. Firefighter. Anyways, we have a furry, anti-furries, TF2 peoples. Yeah, Colin, that's what you're gonna do. More soldiers. I think it's a reference for the game. I don't know who. Mega Minds. No, I'm kidding. So my first impression is pretty good, pretty cool. Let's take Hitler over there and see how the gore works out. Is it like better, more bloody? I don't know. Oh yeah, by the way, I figured out to spawn things, so we can do more things. Anyways, firstly we need to fix. Oh, looks like the ragdolls are calmer than the last one, but it's the gore that counts. So 3, 2, 1. All right, all right. Definitely became more bloody. I don't know if it's bad for me, but I'm trying to search for the heart. Is it there? Is it under my eyes? No. Oh yeah, right. Adolf Hitler don't have a heart. Nah, there's me. I want you to make a haram joke. Oh, let's take this guy. Yes, he's the guy. What you gonna do? Oh no, I'm scared. But don't come to yourself. You're already bleeding. Let's test it with naked 47. Any less words? Yeah, that's right. Alright, 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 alright. I should look at that. Racist. He looks like that one guy from Star Wars. I don't know if you know him. I'll call him Schmingler. And let's spawn a tank. Major tanks. Sherman. Yes, sir. Kill the Jews! No, I'm kidding. Oh, my bad. Let's see how it looks like now. Still not dead. Yeah, that's what I thought. What happens if we like shoot a mess? No, no. Conduire le véhicule. Look at this aim. Yeah. Oof. Let's see. My PC, I feel like it's a bit more laggy now. Also, I don't know what the thumbnail is gonna be. Oh, it's lagging. My PC. Oh, well, I guess it's the end. I definitely want to try some more things, but yeah, you know. Oh, never mind. Never mind. Never mind. Why am I moving straight? Okay, never. Yeah, keep suffering, you Nazi. My bad. It's, you need a dolamin. Yeah. I definitely want to try something. Wait, this is even real? Oh, okay. You never know. Just take this white skinny guy. People say I'm not racist. And they're right. Nah, I'm kidding. Just take those. Stand up. Run, fella, run. Run. Just put them a bit everywhere. Oh, he did. Let's see still. Damn. It was cool. We can do better. Take you. Ooh, you're begging. No, my bad. Guys, it's not gay to say that a man is handsome. Is it? The name of the video will be Arabic Kids Lags Out on Gore Game in Teardown. Yeah. Bye bye. Hey. Pour la Renaissance. Anyways. Bro, who's suffering? Well, you never know, so in case I'm gonna go kill everyone. Thank you for service. Thank you. Oh! Thank you for service. Oh, he sees. Okay. Say thank you and you're suffering. I just realized something. Why aren't there any black guys in the game? Oh, never mind. My bad. He's not black. He's brown. Not racist. Anyways, let's do this. We have some guys. I don't know. I'm lost. Honestly, I don't know what to do. Let me think. I mean, we could take a lot of peoples. Yeah. We can see the veins. Pretty good. This gentleman over there. Yeah, a bunch of peoples. Even here. I'ma see what it does. This. Oh. Vacuum cleaner. Okay, okay. Is this? Is this? Oh, no, we're talking. Okay, my PC is lagging so much. So overall, pretty good mod. I like the gore, I like the new ragdolls. I'll give it an 8.5. So anyways, I'm gonna go kill the rest of the peoples because I'm evil. And bye. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay, this was cringe.